traditional is what can best describe our first daughter. You will notice, in keeping with her Scottish heritage, on
nice.
the other side, that she's wearing a kilt.
Woohoo!
The tartan is the dress McPherson, which is the tartan the local band wears in Clinton. The town where Mel's father grew up. And yes, we think of everything here at Say Yes to the Dress. The blouse, in keeping with tradition, is a GDCI shirt, reminding Mel of her beloved high school days. And of course, the lovely chapeau.
My school was the Vikings too.
Is the Viking helmet, also
Vikings.
reminding her of her high school. But please, take note that our traditional model is taking no chances. Instead of wearing the knife and the scarf, she has it right on hand.
She.
I'd like to see her groom get cold feet, wouldn't you? Thank you, model number 1.
Yay!
Wasn't that lovely?
Yes, it was.
It's wonderful. I can't get that zoom.
Yeah, mine isn't zooming now either.
I don't know the function.
But I have enough.
Is wearing what we like to call the 3 R's. Recycle, reuse, and repurpose.
Not regurgitate?
Donning a beautiful sand-colored dress.
Woohoo!
Trimmed with a beautiful array of plastic flowers. Her hat is of plastic and trimmed with flowers. Uncle Frank may know that as a middle trout. The more cost-conscious couple may consider this. Also, be assured that no animals were harmed during the making of this dress.